One of the ways to grow your money or wealth over a period of time is by buying or investing in shares. And in this video, I want to show you a very simple way that you can get started investing in the listed companies in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, or the NSE. Previously, you needed to go physically to a broker's office in order for you to be able to buy shares, but things have been made easier with technology. Here, haimaanishi that rules have been changed, only that some brokers have become smart to make it easy for you to be able to do this. And I'm talking about AIB Axys, who has done a very good application known as the AIB Digitrader App. And in this video, I want to show you exactly what you need to do in order for you to be able to buy or invest in shares. The first thing that you will need to do ni install the AIB Digitrader application. Now it is available on App Store or Play Store, and it looks like this. After you have installed this application, the next thing that you're going to do is to open a trading account. And this is both for those who already have a CDS account or would also like to apply for a CDS account in the same application. All that you need to do is to fill out this application form right here. Just one important thing to note, hapa chini hapa hivi, usisahau kuandika REF 8125 hiyo itasaidia wanitumie za cabbage. At least si nimekufundisha. Anyway, you will have to go through about 5 steps to fill some information quickly, and it will be required for you to register your account. And as long as the information is accurate, verification inafanywa very fast. Mine was done in about 24 hours. So as soon as you submit, wait for the communication from the AIB Axys. They are very efficient, wanafanya kazi yao faster. I want to take you through the application and how it looks like once umeshakuwa verified. The next thing that you need to do is to log into your application using your details. Now once you log in, it brings you straight to a dashboard, something that looks like this. Usijali, I have to blur some things. So once you log in, the first thing that you see is the dashboard. Dashboard inakupea the general information, vitu kama like if you have shares, how is it doing, itakupatia hizi details zingine kama what has gained, what has lost. This is where you see the general summary of the information. The next thing that you need to notice is the watch list. Watch list nayo is where now you get the list of all the listed companies which you can be able to buy. The next important thing ni orders. This is where they will be appearing when you've put your order as you're waiting for it to finalize. And I will be showing you in the next video how to buy step by step. So make sure you follow. The other part need the portfolio part. This one right here. This is where the shares that you have invested in, it will be telling you whether you are gaining or you are losing, but it will be showing you the value as it is. And last but not least, the funds section. This is where you do top-ups to your account. This is where you can do withdrawal and all that. Imagine using this application, you can be able to buy and sell shares in the Kenyan stock market or the Nairobi Stocks Exchange.